Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. For week 4, we're going to be focusing on the international economies and international trade specifically. For this week, we're going to be looking at the role of international trade and how the U.S. is a leader in trading, but still other countries rely on trading much more heavily than the U.S. When you look at the things that we're looking at in our economy with the presidential races, with certain candidates, you notice that trading is a big thing that they focus on. And when we look at trading, there's a lot of advantages to trading. When you're able to export a lot in an economy, it creates jobs in that economy, and that's a key thing that we evaluate. So when we look at trading, there's a lot of advantages to trading. So for this week, you're going to be reading chapters 8 and 9 right here. I have some additional resources for you to review. You also have your initial post due by Tuesday night. Make sure that you're focusing on APA formatting with your content development. So when I'm looking at your work, I'm grading that you have 3 to 4 paragraphs, an APA formatted in-text citation and reference to support your work. That's very important because when you're looking at supporting your work, you need to provide research, and I'm looking for that research to further your growth and your development in your content. If you'd like, I'm more than willing to provide more resources. I can also pre-grade your work as well, but make sure to send it to me through email so I can really look at your analysis to see if you're on track or not. Then by Friday, you're going to do a peer response. Now, any of the peer responses can be to any of the questions that I ask, or to any of the questions that, or any of the posts or from your peers. Any of those will count, as that will be fine. Make sure they're a paragraph in length, as that's important. Then by Saturday, you'll have your quiz. Your quiz will be 20 multiple choice questions. It'll be covering this week's assigned reading. You'll have 2 attempts and 60 minutes to take the quiz. Make sure to review your answers as well, because when you review your answers, it'll indicate what is incorrect that you've missed. So when you go back to do the second attempt, you can really work on focusing on that second attempt to improve your score, because I do take the highest of the 2 attempts. Then due by Saturday is your reflection. Your reflection needs to be 2 to 3 pages that addresses this question right here with regard to globalization. Now, when you look at this reflection, focus on the role of globalization and focus on how it influences firms. Make sure that you have APA formatting as well, because many of you are missing that aspect. It requires a title page, a reference page, and an in-text citation and reference to support your work. If you have any additional questions, please let me know, as I'm more than willing to assist. But I look forward to your effort this week and our journey in the discussion board as well.